You are going to love the 2018 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.